getting simple and in today's video, I will show you how to create recurring tasks in Asana. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So let's say I want to make them recurring. What you want to do? You want to go into it. This is the assignment that you want to go to due date and then go to repeat. So you want to repeat it. Let's say every week, every month, yearly, or a random time. I am a custom time. Let's do it weekly and repeat it every Monday. So from now, if we don't submit this yes, we can just go out of this, and you can see today till Monday every week again. So this is recurring. Now after then I completed this on Monday. I have to do it again on Monday. After that it will be all completed automatically. So this is the way how you can create recurring tasks in Asana. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.